Steve from the garden. In this video I'm going to be starting my tomato seeds. Now I have three varieties I'm going to be starting this year. The first one is Summer Pick, which is like a meaty slicer. And the second one is San Marzano, which is the traditional Italian paste tomato. And the third one is Amish paste. I had a little bit of trouble starting my pepper seeds this year, so I redid my seed starting mix, so hopefully the tomatoes here will do much better than the peppers did. Like any seeds I start, I make a little dipple in the seed starting mix, just so that I have a place to drop the seeds. I have my plant eggs ready to go. This lets me know like how many I need of each variety, and I already have them ready when I up-pot them. First up is the Summer Pick. Now these seeds are like coated, and I think I'll put 2 seeds in each one of these. These seeds are actually from last year. Considering I'm only going to be doing 4 plants this year, I have plenty of seeds to get through the season. Next up is my San Marzano. Now these are seeds I saved from last year, so I'll drop a few of these in each cell. Since I have lots of these seeds, I can thin out any extras I get in each cell. And some of these I'm starting for other people, so that's why I'm planting in a few extra. The last one up is the Amish paste. So I'll drop a couple seeds in each of these cells. Amish paste is a new one for me, so I'm just kind of trialing it for this year. And if I like it, these are open pollinated, so I can save the seeds for next year. With the seeds in place, just kind of put the soil back in, pat them down, making sure the seed starting mix has a good contact with all the seeds. Now, overall, these seeds are really just a little bit below the surface, so not very deep. When planting seeds, you go the depth of the seed or double that. With the seeds in place, I'm going to go ahead and put this tray upstairs on my germination station, and we'll check back in a week. And by then, they should be sprouting. It's been 1 week since I started my tomato seeds, and as I mentioned at the start of the video, I had some problems with my seed starting mix from when I started my peppers. But fortunately, since I redid that mix, the tomatoes all germinated properly. So let's zoom in and take a closer look. The tomatoes all germinated pretty well, except for the Summer Pick in this cell. Since this one didn't grow, I'm going to just plant some more seeds in this cell. I don't think there's any problem with the seed starting mix, since everything else germinated quite well. So I think it's just something with the seeds that were planted in there. I obviously have some thinning out to do of my plants, because I have too many tomatoes in cells. So all I really need to do for that is just take these ones that I don't need, and I can just pull those out. Try to take the smallest ones and keep the best plants. I decided, just in case there is something wrong with the soil that's in this cell, I had another cell in place. I'm going to drop some seeds in there. We'll put those in. You might also notice my lettuce here. This is getting ready for transplant out into the hinge hoop house. It's growing really well, except for that cell. But all of this is ready to go out. I haven't totally thinned out all the tomatoes yet. I'm going to let a few of them go so I can choose the very best plants to keep. Well, I hope you enjoyed coming along on my little tomato growing adventure. Let me know what varieties of tomatoes you're growing this year. And until then, hope you got something out of this, and we'll see you on the next one.